Very good morning, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? Yes, I know everyone are fine and safe at home, right? After long days, we are seeing each other, right? Yes, Ms. Ma'am came back with another new lesson. Okay, yes. Before that, do you all want to see our Rosie? Yeah, she came. See? Huh? Are you happy to see Rosie? Yeah, she came to see you all again. Hi, Rosie. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Okay. Then, how is your life going? Are you watching our online classes? Yes. I love to watch online classes. Okay. Then please, will you sit there so that I can proceed with my class? Okay. Please listen with our children. Okay. Yes. Yes, my dear children. I hope everyone are doing your works at home, right? Yes, you have to do your workbook works correctly and also your notebooks also. Okay, yes. Before moving on to our new section, what we want to do, what we used to do. Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, right. We used to revisit our sounds of each letter. Okay, then are you ready? Yes, are you ready? If you are ready, then let's get started. Why can't we ask our Rosie also to say the sounds of each letter? Okay, shall we? You should also say along with Rosie. Are you ready, my dear lovely kids? Yes, come on. Rosie, are you ready? I hope you know the sounds of each letter. Do you know? Yes, I know. Oh, she knows. Okay, then shall we start? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. A. B. Come on, Rosie. B. Come on, my dear children. What's the sound of B? B. C. D. D. Wow. Rosie is telling the sounds of letters. Wow, it's great. E. A. F. G. G. H. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. Listen. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. O. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. And Z. Come on, Rosie. Z. Wow, she's telling Z. Sound of Z is Z. Wow, very good. Also clap your hands. Yes, Rosie, you too clap your hands. Okay, yes. Yes. Today's our topic is doing words in block number 4. Okay. What do you mean by doing words? I will tell you. Okay. The actions which we do are called doing words. What do you mean by actions? Actions. This is action. Clapping. This is also an action. Sleeping. This is also an action. Smiling. Beating. Pinching. Itching. All this what we say actions. These are actions, right? So the actions which we do are called doing. Words are also called as verbs. Okay? Doing words are nothing but the actions. The whatever actions which we do, we call it as doing words. Now, my dear children, what you all doing? You are all sitting. right? So what action you are doing now? Sitting. So sitting is an action, right? What your mother is doing? Maybe she is walking here and there. Walking is an action, right? What is your grandmother is doing? Some grandmothers helps in kitchen, right? In cooking. Cooking is also an action. Whatever action we do, we call it as the doing words. Okay? Then shall we do our actions? Yes, come on my dear children. All of you stand up. Stand. No, some are sitting there, I can find. Some children are sitting there. Come on everybody, stand, stand, stand. Yes, rest, ready. I'll give you 10 seconds. Be ready. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Okay, now all of you are standing, right? Okay, now what action you are doing? You are standing. Standing is an action. Now please all of you sit. Come on, sit my dear children. My lovely kids, please sit. Yeah, so you are sitting right now. Sitting is an action. Okay, morning, have you had your breakfast? Yes, everyone had your breakfast? Yes, so eating, how? Eating is also an action. After having your breakfast, you may used to have your Horlicks, Boost or tea, water, right? So drinking. Drinking is also an action. Yes, after having your breakfast, food, drinking, everything, what will you do? You will go for washing your hands, right? So washing is also an action, right? Then bathing. Bathing is also an action. Then sometimes if you have a brothers or sisters, you may fight with them, right? Silly fights may go, right? So fighting also is an action. Singing. Some children, parents used to sing beautifully. Singing is also an action. Dancing is an action. All this comes under doing words. The actions which we do are called doing words. Okay. Now shall we do our actions? Yes? Yes? Will you do as I say? Okay. Then come on. For boys and girls, separate actions I am gonna say. You have to do accordingly. Okay. Boys, my dear boys, show me your hands. I can see you. Show me your hands. Yes, boys, come on, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good, boys. Now, girls, come on, all of you stand. You too, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's great. Now, both of you together do, boys and girls. Yes, come on, clap your hands. Yes, clap is an action. So what do you do now? Clapping, right? So clapping is an action. Okay, got it? Yes. Now all of you nod your head. Is an action. Okay? Yes. Now you understood, my dear children, the actions which we do, that are doing words. Okay? Now shall we ask our Rosie to do these actions? Yes, ready? Along with Rosie, you should also do. Okay? Yes, come on. Come on, Rosie. Hi. Hi. Okay. You know, our today's topic is about doing words. I hope you know by this time what is doing words. Yes, the actions which we do are doing words. Wow, correct. The actions which we do are doing words. Then will you do some actions for children? Of course. Oh. Okay, then I'll tell you. Clap. She's clapping her hands. Okay, then jump. See, Rose is jumping. Wait, enough. Okay, so jumping is an action. Please smile at them. Smiling is an action. Okay, now sleep, Rosie, sleep. Sleeping is an action. Come on, Rosie, wake up. Now all of you take your content book. Kichu, monkey, can't sleep. I hope everyone gone through the story, right? Okay. What is happening in the story actually? Many things are happening, right? In this some actions also going. Yes. See, who is this? Kichu. Okay. Then who is this? This is Kichu's father and this one is Kichu's mother. Okay. See here. Dancing, dancing. Yes. Shall we write? Write along with Musfira ma'am. Okay. Ready? Yes. Dancing. Dancing. D, a, n, c, I, N, G. When C, I together comes, K sound change into S. Okay, that's why you can hear here S sound. Dancing. D, come on, say everybody. D, A, N, C, I, N, G. Dancing. Okay, next. What was Kichu's mother doing in the story? Yes, singing. Number 2, singing. S, I, N, K, I, N, G. Okay, singing. What was Kichu's mother doing in the story? Singing. I know every one of you like to sing, right? Yes, singing. So father was doing dancing. What about mother? Singing. Okay, now jumping. All of you jump. Now keep your pencil down. Now all of you jump, my dear children. Come on. Jump. Ready? Yes. Jump. Yes. Jump. Yes. This is an action. Okay. Now come back to our writing work. Jumping. J, O, U, M, P, I, N, G. Jumping. Okay? Jumping. What about sister? So sad. What is she doing? What was sister doing? What was Kichu's sister doing in the story? Crying. Everyone hates crying, right? Crying. Crying. Show me. Crying. Yes, crying. Number 4. Crying. K, R, Y, I, N, G. Crying. So sad. Okay, these are the actions was going on in Kichu's Monkey Can't Sleep story. I know everyone knows this, right? Dancing, singing, jumping, crying. All this what? All this actions shows what? Doing words. All these actions we call it as doing words. The actions we do are called doing words. Come on, say once again along with Musfira ma'am. Dancing, dancing. D, A, N, C, I, N, G. Dancing. Second one, come on, I can hear. Yes, correct. Very good. Singing. S, come on, say with Musfira ma'am. I, N, G, I, N, G. Singing. Yes. Third one. Yes. What is this? Yes, jumping. J, U, M, P, I, N, G. Jumping. And at last, yes, crying. C, R, Y, I, N, G. Crying. Okay, these were the things we seen in our story. Kichu's Monkey Can't Sleep. Right? Okay. What you want to do? This is all you have to write in your English notebook. I hope by this time everyone completed. Right? Yes? Very good. You have to study the spelling of this action words also. Okay? Okay, my dear children? Yes. Next. Now, take out your workbook. all taken your workbook? Are you ready with your workbook? You need some time? Okay, take 10 seconds. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you? No, still there are. Come on, my dear children, a bit fast. This time Rosie gonna count. Wait, I'll ask Rosie to count. Come on, Rosie. Count number 1 from 1 to 10. Okay. Yes, ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Time up. Yes. Okay. Now all of you turn to the page number 27. 27. Yes. Have you all taken this page? Yes. Are you ready with the sharpened pencil? Yes. Okay. I will help you to do this work. Okay, my dear children? Write the correct doing word for each picture. That means picture is given, words also given. You have to write it correctly along with seeing the action. Okay, ready? Yes. The first one is done for you. What is she doing? Dance. It's already there. Okay. The second picture, see. What it is? Both of them play, right? Dog and the girl play. So, where is that action word play? Here. Shall I write it here? Okay. The first one, it's already done for you. No need to do. Okay. Second one, play. P, L, yeah. Play. Okay. Next. What is this frog is doing? Yes. Jump. Jump. J, M, P. Jump. Okay. See, my dear children, you have to write it in this given boxes. See, can you see here one small blank box? Inside that you have to write it. Okay? Yes. First one is play and here jump. And what is she doing? Yes, eat. E-A-T. Eat. Okay, now we got it, my dear children. Play. Yes. See, here I forgot to write capital. You have to write it capital letter, okay? Eat. Eat. Okay? Play, jump, eat. Okay? Now see to the picture once again and tell me. First one. Dance. I can't hear. Bit louder. Yes. Yes. Correct. Fantastic. Yes. I need this energy. Okay. Dance. Next one. Yes. Play. Jump. Eat. Okay. Okay. I hope by this time my children finish this work, right? Yes. Okay. Now see second one. It's a homework for you. You have to do it. Okay? Draw and write one doing word. That means you have to draw one picture and you have to write the name of that doing word in this given box, like how we do here. Yes, like how we done here. See, we done here like play, jump, eat, right? Like that same wise you have to draw one picture and you have to write one doing word about that picture, what the picture is doing. That doing word you have to write in this given box. Okay, this is a homework for you. You have to do. Okay, small work. It's not that much tough. Okay, my dear children. Okay, by this time I think everyone understood what is doing words. Doing words are nothing but the actions which we do are called doing words. The actions which we do are called doing words. Once again, shall we do that actions? Yes, come on my dear children, all of you stand up. Come on. No, some of them are sitting there, I can see. No, I am cut this. No. Yes, come on. Is everyone of you stand? All of you stand up? Yes? Then you should tell me, when I ask you, are you ready? You should tell me, yes, we are ready. Will you tell? A bit louder you should tell. That is I can hear you. Are you ready, my dear children? Can't hear a bit louder. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes, we are ready. Okay, then shall we do some actions? Yes? Yes. Clap your hands. Snap your fingers. Nod your head. Yes. Jump. Sit. Walk. Okay, run. Yes. Then, what are the things? Fighting. Yes. Beating. Oh. Pinching. Oh. Next. Itching. Yes. Sleeping. These are all action words. The actions which we do are called doing words. Doing words. So what you want to do? You have to write this workbook completely and do this homework and send it in WhatsApp. Okay, dear my dear children? Yes. And one more work also you have in the content book. See? Turn to the page number 25. Practice questions. PQ. Match the pictures to the words. Same like what we done in the previous. Okay? Match the pictures to the words. See? Here, what is this cat is doing? Come on, tell me. Yes. Sleeping. So what you want to do, you can do this in the content book itself. You have to take your pencil. Okay, my dear children, you have to take out your pencil and you can do this in this content book itself. Okay, I have my chalk piece. You have to take your pencil. You have to match this. Sleeping. Where is sleeping? Yes. Yes, you have to mash like this. Okay, next. What is this ball? It's like rolling. It's like rolling. So what you want to do? You have to mash to the rolling. Okay, next. What is this dog is doing? Jumping. Right, fantastic, marvelous, my dear children. Jumping. Where is jumping? Here, so you have to match it here. Okay, at last, what this boy is doing is washing, right? Washing. Where is washing? W-A-S-H. In. Where it is? Here. So you have to match it here. Washing. Okay, dear children. Next. Question number 2. Write sentences with the words given in the box. Okay. This I think I will give you in the next class. Okay. You do only PQ question 1. Okay, dear children. Okay. I think by this time you understood what are doing words. The actions which we do are called doing words. Okay, dear children. So what you want to do? In English 4-line notebook, you have to write doing words and send it to me. Okay, what I have done? Okay, like dancing, jumping, smiling, crying. There are many doing words are there. At least 10 doing words. You have to write it in your English notebook and send it to WhatsApp. Okay, how many? At least 10 doing words. 10 doing words, you have to write it in your English notebook and send it through WhatsApp. Okay, this is the homework for you. So please do it and do your works properly. If you have any doubt, you can call me and clarify your doubts. Okay, dear children, bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day.